the trust on our administration will go down from the government.
The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association and the NSS unit of Lady Keane College, Shillong, organized a road safety awareness program at Kindai Lat Police Bazaar today. The event featured the president of Bike Association, government officials, police representatives and college students. Chief guest Ronnie Lingdor, MCS, emphasized that a smart city can only be achieved when citizens adopt smarter behaviors. He noted the issue of commuters boarding and alighting from local taxis at their convenience, which contributes to traffic jams. Lingdor urged attendees to follow proper embankment points to improve road safety and reduce congestion.
The status of a smart city if our citizens are not smart enough. That you and I will embark and disembark, will catch a taxi at the right place, will park our vehicles in the allotted parking spaces. I'm pretty sure that Shillong is well on its way to become a smart city.
The Khasi Students' Union and